Welcome back my dear friends, this is Engineer Arif.
I have designed this new series of SolidWorks video tutorial for my beginners friends.
Let's start learning. This is the part, which we gonna design today using SolidWorks 2018. Oh yes, just do me a little support, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of new releases.
This is the part which we gonna design today for you dear friends. This is the exercise number 15. This is also a simple mechanical part like earlier tutorial. We will use 2 sketches and 2 extrude command for completing this part. We will use SolidWorks 2018 for designing this part. This exercise video tutorial will help newbies for their regular practice. Hope you will enjoy this CAD tutorial video. If so, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon.
Let's start.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material.
Left-click and select Sketch.
Take Center Line command and draw lines like this. Repeat as earlier. Select this line and the midpoint of another line and choose midpoint. Select origin and the intersection point and choose coincident command.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Length is 280 millimeters. Height is 280 millimeters.
Press OK.
Take Center Rectangle command. Make coincident.
Press OK. The sketch is fully defined.
Radius is 40 millimeters. Take Fillet command. Select this corner for fillet. Radius is 40 millimeters. Select these entities.
Press OK. Now take Circle command.
Select all these circles. Select these circles and make them equal.
Press OK. Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 40 millimeters. Now we will cut this portion.
Now take circle command. Now select Smart Dimension.
Radius is 54 millimeters. Distance is 10 millimeters.
Now take Trim Entities command. Now take the Line command.
Make them horizontal. Make them tangent.
Now take Trim Entities command.
Repeat as earlier.
Now take Trim Entities command.
Take Mirror Entities command. Select these items as mirror entity. Mirror about this axis.
Press OK. Now take Trim Entities command. Press OK.
Now we will remove this rectangular area from this body. Now take Corner Rectangle command and draw a rectangle.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Length is 100 millimeters. Height is 10 millimeters.
Press OK.
Ctrl plus select the endpoint, and the line. Make coincident.
Now take Trim Entities command. Now take Circle command.
Diameter is 40 millimeters. Distance is 50 plus 180 equals 230 millimeters. Distance is 50 plus 180 equals 230 millimeters.
Press OK.
Now take Offset Entities command. Make sure bidirectional is checked. Distance is 20 millimeters.
Press OK. Now take Trim Entities command. Now trim these lines. Press OK.
Take Mirror Entities command. Select these items as mirror entity. Mirror about this axis.
Press OK. Now take Trim Entities command. Now trim these lines. Press OK. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Height is 20 millimeters.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view. Left click on this surface and select Sketch. Press Ctrl+8. Now we will make this portion. Convert these circles. Select all these circles. Convert this entity. Now take Offset Entities command. Select all these circles.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view.
Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Height is 25 to 20 equals 5 millimeters.
Press OK.
If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.